Hey guys, my name's Richard Stillman. All my buddies call me Stilly. Even my family does. Currently I'm living in Fort Polk, Louisiana. Actually, just right outside of Fort Polk. I'm stationed there. I'm in the military, U.S. Army. I'm a critical care flight paramedic. I no longer really do a whole lot with that because I'm about to medically retire. I had some issues with my heart. Um, it's called atrial fibrillation. A lot of old people get it. I had a procedure done for it, so I'm somewhat in the clear right now. But I can no longer be in the army. I actually moving on. The VA, Veteran Affairs, has sought to help me with my transition to civilian life. I'll be pursuing physician assistant. Right now, I have my bachelor's in health sciences from Purdue University. I'm taking prerequisite classes. This is one of them. I am pursuing PA, just kind of bridge myself along. That's kind of how I've chosen to go about my career rather than go right into physician. It's kind of been the easiest to came from not that much money and life was hard. So the Army was really good about helping me get to where I needed to be. Eventually, I'd like to be like a cardiologist, maybe help people that have suffered like I have. I'm better now, though. I'd like to help people like the cardiologist helped me. Um, I used to be an adrenaline junkie. As you can see, I try to put some pictures of my family and what I like to do and stuff. Um, used to do all kinds of like paintball. I was actually a semi-pro paintballer. Um, those were the good times. Can't really do that anymore. Me and the wife like hiking and snowboarding. Oh yeah, my wife. This is Heather, or her Korean name is Chungha. That's my dog Puka. Puka is kind of it's actually, believe it or not, it's not Korean. It's like a Japanese character. It means goofy. You can't tell by the picture, but he's just crazy goofy. He's a half Labrador, half Korean dog called the Donkey. It's actually the dog that Koreans used to eat in the Korean War when they were starving. So we actually rescued him from a dog meat place, believe it or not. Pretty crazy. And he is bilingual. He'll listen to both me and my wife, both commands. So he's pretty talented, pretty smart. Um, right now, I currently don't do all those crazy things I used to do. I actually write. I'm in the midst of a novel. Play video games, watch Netflix, like everybody, right? And the, I think I described some of the pictures. Oh yeah, in the background of that picture, that is Korea. You can kind of see a little bit of it. What else? So, chemistry. I deal with a lot of chemistry in my job. As far as the laws go, I have to be familiar with like Boyle's law and Dalton's law with my O2 tanks, and the actual like low pressure can affect air in my devices, and it can really mean the matter of life and death. So I have to be cognizant of that. I'm excited about actually learning a little bit more in depth about that. Some of it is pretty daunting. I'm not the best with the formulas. Struggled a wee bit in Chem 1, but I think Chem 2, this is redemption time. I should do well, I hope. So I look forward to working with all of you, and I will see you guys in the discussion forums. Thanks.